In this guide, we will take you through the simple process of installing and unlocking Idemia readers in Primo. From the Primo web UI, navigate to the Hardware menu and select the Biometrics tab. Use the Add New or Install option to start the installation process for your Idemia reader. In the installation window, choose the reader brand you will be installing. We will be selecting Idemia. To locate your reader, use either the Scan subnet or Advanced Scan options to locate the reader's IP address. Once your reader has been discovered, use the tick box to select it, then click on Next. A summary of the reader to be installed will be displayed. If the information is correct, use the Install option to complete the installation. The installation window will close and you will be taken back to the biometric menu. Your new device will now be displayed as installed but not unlocked. To unlock your new device, select the License option and choose to export the license configurations file. Send this file to your Impro distributor to be linked with your server license. When your distributor returns the license file, use the same license option. This time we are going to select the Import License option. An Import License field will open. Select Choose File to locate the license you have received. Navigate to the license file on your machine and choose the license.conf file. Your reader icon will now change to online, indicating it is unlocked for use within the Primo software. Thank you for watching as we went through the process of installing and licensing an Idemia reader in Primo.